What's going on, y'all? We back. Short little video, shouldn't even be more than 2 minutes, so let's get this going. We added something to the car. I think it's pretty dope. It's gonna allow us to record inside. We just added a little camera. It ain't no GoPro. It's a little bit something cheaper, but that's okay. It still works. It gets the job done. So we're gonna be making videos from the inside now while we drive and, you know, going on adventures and stuff. Show you guys like shifting, stuff like that, whatever. So here it is. Boom. We got a nice little camera set up. It's a Kuiu. I hope I'm saying that right. But 4K video, all that stuff. I think the quality is pretty good. I don't have any complaints about it. The audio is on it good. It does come with a actual mic that you can hook up, so which I did. I think I hit pretty well. It's right there on the side. And then I ran it the exact same way in the previous video for the dash cam camera. So I have it running up through the weather strip. I brought it in through the crevice here, and then it's just running along the top, and I put it on the inside, just tuck it in, stuff like that. And then I have the mic coming out right here. Can't really hide it much better than that, but it's not in the way of me driving or anything. It's just there to sit, pick up my voice so that it's not what's the word, outdone by the sound of the car. Just because when I know when we'd be driving, if I didn't have it plugged in and I didn't have the audio coming from here, the sound of the car and all that, especially on the highway, would probably outdo my voice. I'd probably have to speak a little bit louder. So this is what we got going on, guys. We're gonna be getting some videos from the interior now, stuff like that. I think it's gonna be pretty dope. So that's what's going on. Other than that, nothing else really coming too soon. I'm just waiting for a couple more things to come in that will be like aesthetic wise, that will be adding to the car. So when those things come in, I'll be sure to make a video, send it to you guys, and yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be dope. We're gonna keep going with the Sub-Zero build. Let's do this thing. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, do your thing. You know the vibes, bro. Let's go.